guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the Indian Healing Clay, Aztec Healing Clay mask. I'm gonna do this mask using this and apple cider vinegar. I always use this brand because I just feel like it's just the best brand and it's organic. And then the last time I did it, it was super dry. So I put a whole bunch of this oil in it. And it was just so messy, it was just getting everywhere. And I think it's because it was too runny. Like, so this time I already mixed it up. I'm using, it's really thick. Like some would say probably too thick, but it's like kind of like the consistency of yogurt, but like I guess like really thick yogurt. So I just feel like me using it like this, it'll probably, have better control of it going in my hair and it won't be like splattering all over the place like the last time. So we'll see. And if it's not working out, like when I do my first section in the back, I'll just like add some more apple cider vinegar and like oil. But I think this will work out with this. I know it's thick, but I think it'll work out. So because this is wash and go, I think as far as I know, as far as I know, you're supposed to wash your hair and then put it on. But if it's supposed to be like a detox, you would think that like it's supposed to like strip out all the product and everything. You would think you'd be able to do it like this, but I don't know, maybe that doesn't make sense. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hair real quick and see you in just a second. This is like a really quick wash. I usually detangle my hair as I'm washing it, but I didn't. I kind of just washed it and then towel dried it, well, t-shirt dried it, and yeah, this is it. So it's almost like literally in the same, it's like the same part and everything it was with my wash and go. So I think it's good to do it on like wet hair or damp or kind of wet, in between wet, dry, whatever. So I'm just gonna detangle as I go. First, I'm gonna put my hair into sections. All right, so now that this side is detangled, I'm gonna split it in half. And let me put them in little buns because unfortunately I can't find any of my duck clips. Like literally not one. But that's just what happens, you know, when you really need something. It's nowhere to be found, and then when you don't need it, it's like right in front of you every time you walk past it. So now that it's detangled this section, I'm just gonna, now bear with me because I don't know, I'm trying to do it better than I did last time. So you saw like the consistency of it. It's like really thick, and I decided not to add any more to it. Any more apple cider vinegar or oil. So far so good. Like, because the last time I was putting it in my hair, like it was a lot runnier and it was just like falling everywhere. So this is working out how I thought it would. I'm gonna make sure I try to get it like on my scalp too, because I heard it's like a good detox for the scalp. Like some YouTube videos I've seen, girls, they just kind of focus on their just like the hanging hair, not like the roots. All right. Ew, it's all under my nails. I usually use gloves, but not today. Okay, so I don't know if I should like do this or not. Kind of scares me having it like this, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm not gonna like scrunch it, just gonna smooth it out and then go to the next section. All right, so I want to stop to show you like the difference between this side, the left side back, and then the right side back. Like, I don't think I had enough water on this side because that's why it's like super, like it waved up a little bit, but not much. Like this side is already starting to wave up. I just finished it. Like you can see kind of it's curling at the bottom, and then right here it's kind of curling. So the front sections, I'm definitely gonna add more water to them first before I add it. This is so messy, like, it's all on my nails. Ugh. If you move as slow as I do, your hair is probably gonna like dry by the time you make it to the front, and especially the last piece. So I'm just gonna show you what I was doing. So it's still in my hand, so when I comb through it, like it kind of makes it harder too when I brush through it. But I just add the water like that. Get my tangle teaser. I just kind of do this before it starts dripping all down. Try to get it soaking everywhere. Get my tangle teaser. I see it's like a lot harder because the clay is already in my hair to comb through it. It's never that hard to detangle my hair, like ever. It's because this clay is like kind of through it. So this is wet, it's dripping everywhere. So this is like my front, like kind of like bang, a little more than a bang. So I'm just gonna spray a little more water on the top, and this is warm water. So I'm gonna grab some of this, put it right on the top. And then I kind of want to cover my whole scalp too. Put it all over the section. Instead of like raking it through, I just kind of like smooth it through the whole section, and like just flip it over to make sure you got this part good. But it's so thick, so it'll definitely go through the whole section unless you got super thick hair. Alright, and then I kind of just smooth it through the ends. To make sure it's like throughout the whole ends, because I don't know, I'm always worried about the ends because I still have that color on it. So just smooth it through. And I think we're done. I'll be back when this is rinsed out. So wish me luck. Bye. Alright, so I'm back. I rinsed it all out, so I thought I missed this back here, and I'm hoping that there's nothing in the back right here, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go rinse it out again. I rinsed it out in the sink, so I feel like it kind of took away from like the definition it could have had if I would have rinsed it out in the shower, and it would have been all like going down. But I think it's like really defined, like to have nothing in it, like there's no product in it. Like I just rinsed out the mask. Anyway, I just want to say that I think my hair turned out really defined, and it really doesn't feel any different. Like my hair usually is always soft anyway, so I don't know if it's softer or stronger. I guess I'll know like once I actually like style my hair, but I don't know, I think it worked out pretty good, and it definitely defined my curls. Like for me to have not done, like I haven't even brushed or anything, I literally rinsed it out. Like I feel like if I brush it, it'll make them clump up even more. This is it. I'm gonna go rinse this out for good. Well, you know what I mean, like actually get it all out and shower, and I'll be back in the next video, which will probably be a wash and go. So all right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.